Hey everybody, I'm Kathy Hester and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a Nurish Box, which is a whole food plant-based subscription box. It's pretty cool. I've really been enjoying it and I've done a bunch of other videos. So we're going to unbox the December one. And let me show you what that looks like. The box this time is just a wee bit beat up. The post office did it no favors, but it came in pretty good, so that counts for a lot. So let's open her up. One of the things that I like about Nurish Box, other than the fact that it is whole food plant-based, is that it gives you a little bit of information about what's in the box. So that way I can use it as a cheat sheet. And I am not seeing the comments, so let me see. There we go. Okay, so this is the December box, and that's why it says Happy Holidays. And on here, it's going to tell you some of the different things and some of where you can get more of it from the producers. Also, you can use this QR code and get cooking instructions, recipes, discounts, and things like that. So, I will say there was one thing that was broken in the box, and we'll look at that in a little while. So, what we have, first off, let me switch to this, is we have some more heirloom beans. And so one of the things I've really liked about these boxes, so there's been a lot from Chili Smith Family Foods, and it's chilismith.com, and these are green black eye heirloom beans. And so it also has cooking instructions in here, and these are from California, and they are non-GMO. Let's see if I can find out some information about this. I am not seeing exactly, maybe it's just the tinge of color, it's just a different variety. But black-eyed peas are eaten in the South. I live in North Carolina, and this is what we eat for luck on New Year's Day. So obviously I didn't eat those yet. And here is another amazing bean, and I want to show you a close-up too. These are big beans. So let's put these side by side. So these are probably the size at the top of my thumb before they're cooked. They are just delicious. And these are also non-GMO beans from Chili Smith Family Foods. And they soak these, but it's just really kind of nice. They give you both stovetop and pressure cooker instructions, and I think that's pretty neat. The beans are cleaned and polished before packing, so that means you're really a lot less likely to find those little rocks. I still would suggest looking through any beans that you buy from anyone. I even look through the Rancho Gordo beans. So let's get these back here where you can see them. Okay, and does it have anything to say? Oh, it's suggesting to use the Christmas limas in curries, chilies, or spicy soups. And that would be really kind of cool. I've made salads with them, and they're real big, meaty beans. I would think about scarlet runner beans is another bean that I use that I think is really big and meaty and yummy and things. So you could probably interchange those. So I haven't tried any of these yet. These are Kuza tea, premium herbal tea mixes, and there's a coupon. Let me show you this. Okay. And let's read a little bit about these. So these teas are packed with calorie-free nutrition, and single serving packets make it easy to get precisely brewed cup of delicious tea without any additives, fillers, or sugars. So let me open up one of these guys, and let's see if I can. There's a little piece of popcorn hiding in there, a little foreshadowing of the box. So let's see what we got here. So if I'm looking at this, this is a chai tea, and it has black tea, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, clove, and black pepper. So they are not sweetened. And it is instant tea, so I think you mix it in with hot water. and some of the other flavors that we have. There's coupons in here. And this would be really fun to do, like we're going to be driving to Florida, and not so far in the near future, not super close. But these would be really nice to do. There's hibiscus rose, chamomile lemon balm, green tea, oolong, peach green tea, English breakfast, mango green tea, and the chai tea. I am thinking I'm probably going to love the chai tea. But there's a buy one, get one free coupon. There's 2 buy one, get one free coupons. So that's kind of nice too. Okay. Then let me show you these little popcorns. There are 3. One of these bags did break. It was all still in the box because it was inside of this wrapping that also is padded by this. So even though the box was a little bit broken, they came out just fine. So there's 3 different kinds. There's blue, red, and purple. I guessed right. Blue, red, and purple. And it's Amish popcorn. It's also non-GMO, and it's peanut, tree nut free. And so if you haven't ever tried gourmet popcorn, it's kind of awesome. Just like I think I've mentioned before with some of these beans that I do the bean club from Rancho Gordo. And other than that bean club, the Nurish Box has the best heirlooms that I've seen so far. And I am going to be cooking some of them soon on a live. But so this popcorn is going to go fast because we eat a lot of popcorn in the house. Okay, then we've got 2 more goodies. One is amazing because I literally was looking for vanilla powder at Sprouts and they didn't have any. And I believe there's a vegan white chocolate recipe that uses it. I think it's from Bittersweet from my friend Hannah Kaminsky, and it uses vanilla powder. Ooh, that's going right back in here because vanilla beans are expensive these days. Oh my God, you guys, this smells amazing. Let me let you look real close. I don't know if you, it's just it smells more like vanilla than vanilla extract does. And so I'm looking forward to using this in a lot of things and wearing a little bit of it right now. But you could put this on oatmeal, you could put it in plant-based milks, you could put it in any kind of things. It's kind of nice because then you don't have to dry a vanilla bean or infuse something with a vanilla bean because right now they're kind of expensive. I have a few that I've hoarded, so I have some around still. And then we have another infused balsamic vinegar, and this time we have cinnamon pear, which is really a good winter scent flavor, and I'm going to smell it because I want to know what it smells like. If I can get this. It has little preparations. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. You definitely get some of the balsamic kind of tang that's mellowed out a little bit by the pear sweetness. And that cinnamon just hides in there a little bit. And just kind of rounds it out. This would be beautiful poured over poached pears in a salad dressing. I think it would also be pretty nice in Brussels sprouts because I usually saute them and put either some fig balsamic or regular balsamic and liquid smoke in there. But I think this one would do really well too. So those are the things. Typically you get 5 things in these Nurish boxes. We've got 2 beans. I'm counting these 3 small packages of popcorn as one item. And we've got 4 ounces of cinnamon pear infused balsamic. And also, just so you know, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, prepared in a facility that uses walnuts and dairy. That doesn't mean that there's dairy and walnuts in there, but if you have a severe allergy, they list that so you know what's going on. So again, this is the Nurish box. This is December's, And let's see what it, for the vanilla powder, they're talking about sprinkling it on oats, use it in place of extract, and use a half amount of ground vanilla beans for extract. And then with the balsamic, ooh, they're saying fruit, winter squash, sweet potatoes, that would be good, or on your oatmeal. And that would be really good too. And they're talking about maybe put a tablespoon or two in some baked goods. I think this would be really good in like some pear muffins. And it wouldn't have to be pear. You could do, but that just seems natural, like pear muffins. But I'm going to see what I'm going to try. It could also be pretty good in banana bread, because I think those flavors would go really well. Do you guys have any questions about the Nurish Box or anything that's in it at this point? If you are interested in getting it, it's a monthly subscription box. And I have a code up in the comments that will give you a discount, Kathy Huster, and it gives you a $5 discount. And I will be unboxing the next one as soon as I get it. So have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I hope your 2020 is amazing. So I'll talk to you next time. Well, maybe I will. Why is this not going? There we go. Okay, now I'm really going to go. Have a great night.